What is good, Tesla family? It's your boy Ray J back with another video, and in this video, we're going to be talking about the one and only Tesla and why I'm extremely bullish for the long-term future. I'm going to talk about what the mainstream media has been saying about Tesla quite recently. I'm going to talk about what Elon Musk has been tweeting about Tesla quite recently, what other tweets have been saying regarding Elon Musk that are very important. Now, before I do get started with the Elon Musk tweets and all that good stuff, I do have to mention that I'm not a financial liquid taxation expert, so I'll take this as financial liquid taxation advice. Everything in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only. And also, if you guys can, please smash that like button if you want to see more videos like this. It not only benefits me, but benefits the entire Tesla community as a whole. With all that said and done and out of the way, guys, let's get on with the video. So looking at Tesla right now, we closed at 1,023 cents a share. We closed at 12% down for the day. If I bring up the one-day chart, I mean, things are looking very bearish right now, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's the end for Tesla, guys, because I believe this thing is going to recover very, very soon. I believe that this thing is going to keep on running to all-time highs in the upcoming weeks, if not months, but you just have to give it time because right now we are in a bit of a bearish cycle. Now, if you look at what happened today, we were at 1,174 cents a share. Then we began to drop and drop and drop and drop, and this is either the results of Elon Musk selling his Tesla shares, or this could just be the panic selling because there is not full confirmation that Elon Musk has sold his shares yet. And we had quite a bit of support around the $1,000 to $1,011 range, and that is what stopped Tesla from dropping way too low. And now the question is that going to hold? And I'm not even 110% sure if I can guarantee that right now because people are just kind of panic selling. So panicking can bring this thing a little bit down, but then if it does drop, guys, I'm very confident that eventually this thing will recover very, very quickly. Now, from the Bollinger standpoint, we can see that there was many significant moves to the downside, touching the lower band multiple times. But remember, Tesla is not just the only thing that's in the red. The entire market is in the red. If you look at the SPY, the S&P 500, in the red, currently down 0.33%. The Nasdaq down. If you want to look at Dogecoin, NEO, Bitcoin, the entire crypto market, whether it's the crypto market or not, is in the red right now. So that's nothing to be concerned about. It's nothing to bash Tesla for. The entire market's in the red. But right now, there's just some fear, uncertainty, and doubt about what's going on right now that I really think people should be prepared for because we don't know if Elon Musk sold his shares yet. He may have sold them, he may have not, but we're going to find out very soon. But anyways, looking at this from the 6-month standpoint, there is some pieces of news that are showing that we are currently in a bearish cycle. Unfortunately, the MACD flipped up with the 9-day moving average. Tesla's kind of in the red right now, and it's going to probably continue like this for a little bit of time before that big reversal comes and we see all-time highs coming up. But it's going to take a little bit of time to recover because the RSI has dropped down to 40. We were seeing strength, the relative strength index in the 80s. Now it's down right over here to the 40. Now, what does that mean for Tesla? That means that we could see some sideways action for the next upcoming days, but I do predict that we're going to see more green candles again very soon, and it's just going to take a little bit of time, like I said. Now, before I give you guys my price targets or anything like that, let's go over what the articles are saying, what the tweets from Elon Musk and other people regarding Elon Musk have been saying. So first off, the mainstream media, they announced that Tesla defeated Mercedes in the third place in the US luxury registration until September. So right now, Tesla's absolutely still killing it. I know that it may be in the red, but at the end of the day, it's not in the red because of fundamentals. Fundamentals are still absolutely awesome. We know that Tesla registered 230,000 vehicles in their first 3 quarters, and it's actually ranked as higher than some Mercedes out there, which I just think is very awesome. Teslas are very luxurious cars, and they're getting very, very good ratings here and there. Now, there was a big chip shortage that happened, and that made it very difficult. But despite that, Tesla still killed it with their numbers, and they're opening a second factory near Austin, Texas. I mean, it's going to be absolutely huge, guys. The Cybertruck is still coming. So, like I said, there's still lots and lots and lots of bullish news coming, big bullish catalysts. Other articles out there, such as Automobile News, they are reporting the same thing. Tesla beats Mercedes for number 3 spot in US luxury registrations through September. Let's go, guys. It's catching up to Lexus and Mercedes. So I'm just putting it out there that Tesla is still killing it. Now, anyways, I want to go over this article right here. It basically talks about Elon Musk, and it states that Tesla stocks tumbled 12% on Tuesday, a drop for the second consecutive trading day, as the biggest automaker's loss on Wall Street since, I would say, around March. Now, people are talking about Elon Musk selling 10% of his shares, and it's very probable that we may have actually seen that play out. But despite that, I'm not scared, guys, because this is just a temporary thing. Eventually, it's going to recover. So anyways, The media is reporting it. They're bashing Tesla. They're saying whatever they want. Once again, CNBC reports Tesla drops 12% for the biggest fall this year after Musk's stock sale proposal. It hasn't even been confirmed yet. So this may be the result of panic selling, or Elon Musk may have actually sold his shares today. We don't 110% know, like I said before, but we're just waiting on the confirmation. But at the end of the day, it's not bad news. Remember, he's simply selling some shares to pay taxes. He's simply doing it maybe to diversify, but he's still holding 90% of his shares. He's still very bullish, and there's still many catalysts. Here's another catalyst. The Hertz CEO on the Tesla deal, he stated that we want to lead the adoption for electric vehicles. The CEO of Hertz is stating that he is very, very, very open to leading with the EV race, leading with the EV innovation, leading with helping improve the planet. And he said that he had ordered or is planning on ordering 100,000 Tesla Model 3s very soon, and they're expected to deliver them by late 2022. Now, even though this is 110% signed, yet it's not confirmed yet, the CEO of Hertz is still very open to the deal. He's still very excited, and this should be big news as well. Once again, even if Hertz is not even on the table, there's still going to be a big market for people buying it, as Tesla is also killing it in China and other countries as well. But this is on the table, guys. It's on the table. The Hertz CEO is very excited for this. So there are still big catalysts out there. So let me just go over some of the things that came out. Dave Lee put on his Twitter, and he basically asked the question, did Elon Musk sell 10% of his Tesla shares today? And most people are saying yes, that's very probable. And later, Elon Musk had a thread that was actually from retweets, and it basically showed this. Now, and that's really funny. He's saying sometimes they're a little two-dimensional, and that's really up to you guys to decide what he means by this. But people are just saying these are just jokes, and that Elon Musk is just trying to tell people that be careful with FUD. Be very, very careful. Maybe the two-dimensional is a clue about the 2 days. I mean, it can mean so much time. It can mean so many things, is what I'm trying to say. There's so many meanings as to what this means, but Elon Musk did reply this, so it's really up to you guys to figure it out. I don't want to put words in his mouth. He could mean something else. But anyways, there was something else that was stated, and this is Gary Black, excuse me. He stated that Tesla is now traded at 42 million shares, okay? 4 hours into trading versus 20 million shares traded by this time of day over the past 20 days. What does that mean? Elon Musk suggested that he would sell 10% of his shares, so 17 million shares, which means that it's very probable or possible that Elon Musk sold his shares already, and that's what caused Tesla to drop, or this is just the result of him, the anticipation of him selling his shares. So we don't know yet, but there are some indicators that he already made the sale. And we're going to find out maybe in 2 days, as the tweet that he had may have been the indicator of it. But I'm just putting it out there that Elon Musk may have sold some of his shares, and that would obviously cause Tesla to drop the way it did. And that may be what just happened right now. It's not guaranteed yet. I don't know for sure yet, but that's just something that we're speculating. Additionally, Elon Musk liked this tweet. It says that the Model S Plaid has a 256 gigabyte SSD on board. Once again, really good news, showing massive innovation for the full self-driving technology. The Model S Plaid is an absolute beast. You could actually, I believe, get 1,000 horsepower on it if you were to tune it up. I mean, it's absolutely insane. It's absolutely awesome. So big updates as well. So this is the last tweet I'm going to show you guys, and I want you guys to remember this. And I did show this in my previous video, but I want to remind you guys of this. I'm going to put this at the end of almost all my Tesla videos while we're in this bullish cycle. It says right here, Tesla returns since Elon Musk stated funding secured. It's still up 1,400%. Since he did something on the Joe Rogan podcast, it's still up 2,200%. The short seller enrichment commission still up over 2,000%. Nuke Mars up 2.7,000%. When Elon Musk said Tesla stock is too high, in my opinion, it's still up over 771%. My point is, Elon Musk may end up selling Tesla shares, which is most likely what's going to happen. Do you guys think this is the end for Tesla? Is Tesla just going to crash to zero? Is it going to crash to 500? I don't think so, guys. I don't think so. I think this thing is going to gain a lot of support, and eventually we're going to see a reversal, and an all-time high should come quite soon. I'm talking about weeks, if not months away. Within a couple of months, it'll see a full recovery, and we should be right back on track. It's just that right now, we're not there yet. And seeing these drops like this is normal for companies like Tesla, because we're at a state of ambiguity. We don't know what's happening yet. We don't know if Elon Musk sold yet. So there are some people panicking. So I'm not giving financial advice. You guys could do whatever you want, but I'm just putting it out there that eventually, as always, this thing recovered. And I do believe it's going to happen again. We're going to see a big Tesla recovery if you just wait it out and give it the time it needs, because we're not investing in Tesla for the short term. I don't care about next week, guys. I'm holding this thing for as long as I possibly can, because I believe in the next upcoming months, if not years, we're going to see all-time highs, and this thing's going to absolutely crush it. We're going to see this Tesla to $3,000 by 2025, in my opinion, maybe even higher than that. I still think this thing has the momentum, the potential. Just give it the time, and this thing will take off. With that said and done, guys, thank you so much for listening. Please have a great rest of the day, and Tesla has all the potential in the world. Thank you, and peace out.